Alright, this is the Tesla from the previous video. I already repaired the bumper. I couldn't even wait to shoot no video while I was doing it, but I got a new bumper laid down on the front end. I still got this quarter panel though that we about to wrap right now with the body damage on it. And I'm finna do this live while y'all watching. I'm gonna let somebody else hold the camera, but I'm gonna let y'all see how this transform, and then we'll be done with this project. Customer will be able to pick up tomorrow anytime she's available. All right, so I got my panel pre-cut already, and my surface is clean and prepped already. So y'all about to see me do this in, if I had to guesstimate the time, I'd say about maybe like 5 minutes, 6 minutes maybe. The video gonna get edited down to about 30 seconds though. Alright, so I got my backing removed, and we're using 3M28 material on this. We're not using no cheap stuff. I hate the cheap stuff. Cheap stuff is tacky, and it don't really hold up like you want it to. Stretching this material down into this recess, I'm just gonna walk it down. I got a couple wrinkles in here, I'm heating them out. Once we got the wrinkles heated out, we're gonna let the material relax. Like I said, we're gonna walk it into this recess instead of doing the stretch into the recess. We're just gonna walk it into the recess. When you stretch the material, whether you know it or not, it kind of messes with the quality when you stretch it. So the color may not be there as intense as it would be without stretching the material. So as much as possible, you want to lay this material down without stretching the actual material on the vehicle. If possible. But it is vinyl and it is made for stretching. I'm sorry, I just had a mean thought in my head. Thinking about stretching. I got something so fine holding that camera right now.
Babe, you have. Yeah. I'm not gonna say too much, but it looks nice.
Nice and smooth.
Yeah, nice and smooth.
Nice and smooth.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so I got everything in this little recess laid down above the body line. So here, everything should fall under the body line nice and smooth. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more heat. And remember, this whole body panel right here was damaged, so we repaired it. We did a little bit of body work. Like I said, the customer had a little fender bender and brought it back into it, so we did body work on it. I'm rewrapping the panel. It's like a one-day process. Customer be back on the road tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Always keep your squeegee strokes at a 45-degree angle. Like I'm holding my squeegee at 45 degrees. I'm gonna hit this one more time with some heat, and I'm gonna glass this whole side and then squeeze it out. Pulling a nice triangle right now. I can stretch my material out and then squeeze it out. 45 degrees. I'm gonna get it right to the line on this wheel well, then I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more heat. Same with this back area. Since it drops behind the wheel, I'm gonna put another triangle, glass all this area out right here. And I'm just worried about pulling down. Of course, I got this area right here that's gonna need some attention, but I got a light right here that I'm gonna be able to make a recess cut, pull up, and stretch all that out. So right now, I'm just gonna worry about everything going to this wheel well right here.
It's the details for me, babe. Skirt. I have to
So now everything is pretty much laid down. I'm gonna just work this little area around my wheel well. And from there, we just gotta trim it. Nice and smooth. And this vehicle is already black, so you pretty much don't have to pay too much attention to your cuts because it is a black vehicle, so anything you cut is pretty much gonna be hidden by the black on black. So that's the whole panel. Get ready to trim everything out, and then we'll be finished.
I got you, trust me.
And I'm using the NT cutter. That's what this blade is. It's a retractable snap blade, and I could put 5 refill blades inside this one blade, so I can keep trimming it and cutting it and keep going without having to load a new blade in my knife. It's an NT cutter. I get these from Source One, where I buy most of my supplies as far as squeegees and wrap gloves from. And they're on Cobb Parkway, right by the Whitewater. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna cut my edges. I do offer a warranty on my work. I'm cutting my edges, but the customer had an accident, so they had to bring it back. I say I spent maybe roughly about an hour and a half making this repair. And as far as the body work and the wrap installation repair done, I charged the customer around like $700 for everything. So that's about like 2 hours of labor, I say, give or take. So after material costs and everything, you're probably looking at around $250 an hour. Like, can't really complain about that. And that's it.
Looks very nice.
We got a complete project, customer ready to go. We did the body work right here. You can see that there's no damage here.